Mheshimiwa Spika, nataka atoe statement of fact. Mheshimiwa Spika, huyu mbunge aliyoko hapa, hata kama alikuwa akifanya kazi county hapa, amekuja ni mbunge na ametoa motion hapa. Mheshimiwa Spika, na mimi nataka nimwelezee mbunge kuwa wasema kule wanaosema kufa abiria, kufa conductor, kufa dereva, huyu conductor ameweza kupickpocket maabiria wote, hawana chochote. Mheshimiwa Spika, kwa hiyo aende tu nyumbani. Mheshimiwa Spika.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
I choose to stick to content.
Your time is
I choose
up.
to stick to matter.
Go on.
I choose to ignore the honorable member. Mr. Speaker, I therefore want to submit to this House that, Mr. Speaker, when a whole deputy speaker of this assembly goes to a public function in Nandi and says that I will oversee the impeachment of the deputy president, and comes to this House and is expected to vote, do you expect fairness?
Your time is up. Give him 1 minute. The deputy speaker spoke to that.
Thank you.
She has a vote, unlike the speaker.
Yeah, but Mr. Speaker, I just want to say
And she
that
will
I
not
find...
preside on these proceedings.
Okay, because I respect you, Mr. Speaker, I will not engage on that matter. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, I want to submit that Ngogoyo Onesmus Nguro, Member of Parliament for Kajiado North, says no to the impeachment of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya.
Member for Taveta. Member for Taveta.